It's been a while since the last unboxing, but welcome guys to another unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the brand new Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is a rose quartz model in 256 gigabytes, as you can see. Yeah, so let's just get straight into it. This is, again, as I mentioned, the XL, which means it has a 6.8 inch OLED display. This also has the bigger 5000 milliamp hour battery, just like that there. We can see the new visor on this generation of Pixel. As you can see, this looks like in the packaging. We'll just take that along to the side for now, whilst we look at the rest of what's in here. So I might put that there then. Okay, so we've got here a 1.5 meter, I think, which is about 6 foot USB-C to C. It's only USB 2.0, which is a bit disappointing considering it's 2024, and it's going to include it just the cable at least, so 3.0, but that's not bad, I guess, all things considered. If we flip over here, we can see this is the literature. Oh, well, if it wants to come out, the literature packet. In here, we've got this Pixel support stuff, which is not even a proper manual. It just is this warranty and regulatory stuff. And we've got this special little SIM removal tool. It's a circle. Never seen that before. That's really it for what's in the box of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's not a lot. Let's just put that back in. Obviously, one of the big selling points of this phone is, I'll unwrap in a couple of seconds, but you can see the cameras. We've got here with the camera system a 48 megapixel ultra wide, a 50 megapixel wide angle, and then a 48 megapixel telephoto, which is 5 times, I'm pretty sure, according to Google specs. And it has obviously their new super res zoom, which goes up to 30 times. And let's just, I guess we can just slide this out. We can see that's what the front looks like. And if I just slide it out of its protective stuff, this is what it looks like. Here is the rose quartz color. The brushed aluminium side rails, or I should say the glossy aluminium side rails. Here's the front of the new, this is 6.8 inch screen, as I mentioned earlier, which is not bad, I guess, considering the size. Here we've got the speaker grill, your USB-C 3.2 port, microphone, SIM tool. On this side, it's nothing. On the top, it's a 5G antenna, as well as another microphone. On this side, it's power and volume up, down. And then on the front here as well is the new 42 megapixel front camera with autofocus. Now let's just close. Let's put the pamphlet back into the thing. Yep, and we'll close the box up for now. We'll just put Pixel on the box, and let's just power it on for the first time. And so let's just, oh, there we are, there's a vibration, and there's the Google logo, as you can see. I might just hold that up actually to the screen. It's a Gemini boot screen powered by Android. And we're just loading here. This comes preloaded with Android 14 as obviously Google's launched the Pixel series a bit earlier than they typically do. Typically this would launch with Android 15. But it doesn't this year. We still get the same 7 years of updates compared to other phones in this category. And there we are, that's the new Pixel. That's what it looks like when you first open it. Let's just go back to the cameras. These support up to 8K 30 FPS now, compared to 4K 60 on the previous Pixel 8 Pro. The front camera is still 4K 60 FPS. Obviously, the main part of this phone is a Tensor G4 chip, which paired with the 16 gigs of RAM in here allows for a better AI processing. Let's just do some quick thing. You can also see in action here the smooth 1 to 120 hertz display that they have on the new Pixel Pixel lineup. Yeah, well, that's really about it for this. It's just my first impressions. Again, it's a very nice phone, pretty good weight compared to other phones in its size category. The visor is very big, giant visor, but it's not that bad, honestly. And yeah, color's real nice. So that was my unboxing first impressions of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I guess, you know, if you want to see more of this, hit subscribe. If you like this, then, you know, also hit that like button, because that works, unlike the dislike button. And yeah, that's really about it. Thanks for watching.